Hello my darlings, welcome to your first step in learning English. Today, we'll focus on the essentials. Simple phrases to help you start speaking with confidence. No pressure, just a supportive space to learn and grow. Grab a notebook if you'd like, and let's dive in together. Ready? Let's begin your English journey. Let's start with the basics you'll use every day. The most common greeting. Hello, how are you? Try it with me. Hello, how are you? The polite response, I'm fine, thank you. Next, ask for someone's name. What's your name? And answer, my name is, let's practice. I'll ask, you answer. Hello, how are you? What's your name? Great job, you've just had your first English conversation. Practice these phrases out loud. Repetition builds confidence. These simple phrases are your passport to real conversations. Now let's add another question. Where are you from? To answer, say, I am from, and add your country. For example, I am from Turkey. Try it with your own country now. Let's put it all together. Hello, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? Now switch roles. Ask me the questions. Practicing both sides helps you learn faster. You've just managed a full, simple conversation in English. Find a friend or family member and try this dialogue together. The more you practice, the easier it gets. The secret to speaking English confidently? Daily practice. Just 5 minutes a day makes a big difference. Review today's phrases, say them in the mirror, or make a new sentence. Listen to English songs or movies, start with subtitles, then try without. Repeat what you hear. This shadowing helps your pronunciation. Make English a small part of your daily routine. Celebrate every small victory. Each step brings you closer to fluency. Start today, and keep going. I believe in you. Congratulations! You've completed your first English lesson. Practice these phrases, use them with others, and keep learning every day. Comment your favorite English word below. I'd love to see what you choose. If you enjoyed this lesson, like and subscribe for more. Keep practicing, stay curious, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.